recognition as past president of the chapter, given to Dr. Bimbo Alislag, MD, a fellow of Philippine Society of Anesthesiologists, in grateful recognition of his dedicated service as past president again of the chapter, given this day of June 2017 at General Santos Doctors Medical Suite Conference Room, General Santos City, and presided by our acting officer of the PSA Sergeant Chapter 2017-2018 for Dr. Alislag. So he became a president of given to by me as president 2017 to 2018. So this plaque will be given to Dr. Garcia and Dr. Bimbo Alislag as recognition of their services.